Hey, I'm Mark from 2W Tech. Over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you the 2 ways that you'll know when it's time to replace your ERP system. So your ERP system is the system that runs your entire business, all your financials, your scheduling, shipping, everything. So how do you know when it's time to get rid of it? It's not necessarily because it's old. Look, my grandma's old, and I'm not getting rid of her. But sometimes you just gotta say, you gotta go. So how do you know when your system's too old? It's easy. If it's running on an operating system that's obsolete, you have to get rid of your ERP system. You have to replace it with something modern. It's a security hazard. If you can't run your ERP system on anything other than Windows XP or an operating system that it wasn't invented when Bill Clinton was president, then you need to get rid of your ERP system. But more importantly, and harder to recognize, is how do you know that you've outgrown your ERP system? That's really easy to understand too. So when you have the business problem meetings, when you're sitting around trying to figure out how do we solve this or how do we solve that, and the answer is too often, well, our system doesn't do that, that's when you need to start looking at maybe a new ERP system. But here's even a simpler way to know. You set up your ERP system right in line with your business whenever you put it in 5, 10 years ago. But every day, your business changes the same. Changes just a little bit, but your ERP system stays the same. So as years go by, pretty soon, you have this gap in functionality of your ERP system and the way that your business actually operates. That gap is called Excel spreadsheets. Go figure out how many times you're jumping in and out of your ERP system and you're covering that gap with Excel spreadsheets. And here's why Excel spreadsheets are evil for this, is once you create that Excel spreadsheet, it's an island of data. It's instantaneously obsolete. That's all we've got for today. Don't get rid of your grandma because she's old. Like, subscribe, and watch this video about 2W Tech. See you next time.
This is a countdown clock. Why? Because you have a short attention span. Hey, I get it. You have stuff to make, things to distribute, cat videos to watch. I'm going to take 2 minutes and 8 seconds to tell you about 2W Technologies. Who? Yo, pay attention, there's a cat video at the end. We're the team that teaches our client how to better run their company. See a new and better way of doing business with judicious application of proven technology and expert services. I just used the word judicious. We say, I can do that. And if not, I know someone who can. Let me introduce you. 2W does crazy stuff like implement an Epicor ERP system for a worldwide corporation on Microsoft Azure that travels with the sun. With the sun. We save your bacon when that one person can click that one link that brought that one company you own down to its knees. But you were only down for 17 minutes because you let 2W use technology and expert services judiciously. Bam! 2W starts up manufacturers with no servers and 0 capital IT expenses. So you don't have to slow down investment in the stuff that you know actually makes you money. But your IT rocks and you keep everyone efficient. You're free to make, distribute, legislate, sell, and heal the sick. No project too big, no client too small. Okay, you might be too small. Call me when you can type. I get it. Right now you're all, who? What? Here's the scoop. We are horse breeders, referees, and apartment owners. Moms, dads, and grandparents. Technologists, enthusiasts, and really, really smart creative people who bring value. And we bring it. Every day. We get up in the morning and bring value to our clients, teammates, and ourselves for one mission. So your IT makes no noise. Shh, our newest client is sleeping. No noise. Your stuff just works. And when there are issues, we are on it like a fly on. Shh. Look, IT shouldn't make your head hurt, and it shouldn't make you broke. So if you need a horse breeding, flag throwing, land owning, child rearing, super creative, and smart group of people to fix your ERP and IT issues, then we are your team.